Yeah, abantu baffe bonna abatulaba mbalamusiza. I send you greetings, all of you comrades who are watching us. As you can see here, we received these registers last night, literally 7 days to elections, which is very unfortunate because as you know, the law commands the Electoral Commission to give us these registers at least 14 days to the voting. They should have given them to us long ago, but they've just given them to us because the whole idea of giving us these registers should be, one, to verify, to check with our local teams on ground to establish whether the register is whether the register has that integrity that we keep talking about. So it's unfortunate that it was given to us late, but it is here. This is the National Voters Register, as you can see from the different districts. What we do is to call upon our people who are in these registers to vote for change, to vote for the National Unity Platform, to vote for the umbrella at all levels. So our teams will be sending these documents to the different polling stations across the country, so that we are able to verify that these people are the real voters who should be participating in the election. The challenge, of course, like I said, is the timing. If these documents are given too late, if you want to analyze to see whether there are multiple voters, like we've seen on the online system, it becomes very difficult because these are physical copies with the pictures. So it means that you have to get one constituency, compare it to the next and all that, but we'll be able to do whatever we can in the time remaining. We are left with only 7 days to the protest vote. We thank those who called their friends yesterday, to family members and all that, those who listened to our president's message and called people across the country. We encourage you to continue making those phone calls, because that is the only way we can make sure that the message reaches everyone. Thank you very much. Your power, our power.